Get it while it's hot, the Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey.
I'm excited. The bat is looking good, coming together. Also, this driven fuel cap is looking extra scrumdiddly. So, it's the little details, man. The little details. We're getting it up in there. But let's go and get up out of here.
No monkey.
What up? It's your boy Dude Mungus. Today I'm excited. It's just little accessories. I got the driven halo gas tank, got the blue accessory. So we're gonna dive into it today, how to get this changed. And it's really not hard. And I know you guys see all these so it's 5 Allen keys you see on here, but we're only working with 3. We're working with 1, 2, and 3 to get this off. So let's go ahead and jump into it, and let's get rocking and rolling. And forgive me, I can't find my tripod, and I have actually another stand, but it's so late at night, I don't have time to get it together. So you guys just rock with me. I'm gonna set you right here, and we're gonna make it do what it do. I'm actually gonna be dropping the bat off tomorrow to get it wrapped from Atlanta Custom Wraps, which I'm so daggum excited. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this off. That way we can be good to go. So again, we're only working with certain ones that we gotta loosen up. 2 at the bottom, or I guess the two that'd be closest to the back, and then the 1 in the middle right here. That's it. That's your loose. I just got tired of working with the daggum fuel cap all the daggum time. Alright. Open this up. And boom shakalaka. It comes off just like that. Oh, the smell of petrol. It smells like petrol too. I gotta clean this G-Ride. Comes with instructions. Off-road and race use only. That's right. It's because this is a race back. Look at this actually down in here. It actually is a little bit dirty. I guess I better take a towel and clean in there a little bit. Hope I put that in a position where you guys can not doing nothing crazy because the bike is new. It is what it is. Oh, nice. It comes with new screws that are supplied, and it comes with the gasket. Nice. Let me make sure these screws don't fall out. But anyway, see, it comes with new screws supplied, and it comes with the rubber gasket at the bottom. So this is actually going to be a really easy install. You'll feel it kind of fall into place. And I'm just gonna, just for, you know, just for me, I don't think it's required. I'm just gonna use just a little Loctite, blue Loctite, just to make sure no funny business happen. You know, with motorcycles, man, you know, they call it Murphy's Law. Dude, yeah, let's just make sure, you know, we give it that little extra. You put it in, push down, twist. You go. You're done. And just like that, you're done. See, that was not a long install, but oh man, does that look good. Bring you over. Can you guys see that? Woo! Oh, I'm all up in the light. And excuse the G-Rides, don't wipe this off. Excuse the G-Rides. Like I said, I am getting prepared to drop the bike off at the shop. I just wanted to have this done before I went. Super easy operation. You push, turn, you're done. Push, turn, you're locked in. But anyway, dude and dudettes, that is it. I appreciate y'all rocking with your boy. You know who it is. It's your boy, DudeMungus. Here we go. I'm gonna get the key out. Push it up like that. And then just whip it like that. And then just whip it like that. And then just whip it. That wasn't supposed to happen like that, but anyway. You push it up like that, and then you just kind of flick the key out. But if you got somebody else to help you, it'll make it a lot easier. And Won't have to worry about flicking it on your bike.
I'm so excited to use my new gas cap. Bloop. So easy. Ain't gotta, uh-oh, let me not drop it and mess it up. Ain't gotta worry about taking the key out. I cannot tell you how much easier that makes things. Driven really made a nice gas cap.
Blue Sakalata. Thank you for watching, dudes. Namaki. Namaki. Thank you for watching, dudes. Namaki.
Boy's excited. You know your boy likes to stay on the scrum daily. So first of all, let me give a shout out to Tire Stickers, one of the new channel sponsors for Dude Mungus. Yes, sir. I'm so happy the vacuum cleaner is done. I'm excited. The bat is looking good, coming together. Also, this driven fuel tap is looking extra scrum diddly. So it's the little details, man. The little details. We're getting it up in there. But let's go and get up out of here.
Namaki.